Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through a retro programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 91, which is Show the Colors. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into TI Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A on a modern PC. Type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 91, Show the Colors. This demonstrator program shows each of the available screen colors slowly. As they pass in review, watchers learn what is available. For a longer time of display of each color, increase the number 500 in line 40. Okay, let's get into TI Basic. This is the TI-99 4A start screen. Press any key to begin. Press 1 for TI Basic. And let's get typing. 10 call clear. A line that is no stranger to anyone who's typed in a TI Basic program before. 20 for C equals 3 to 16. For C equals 3 to 16. 30, CC equals C. Interesting line. 40 for T equals 1 to 500. T equals 1 to 500. 50, next T. This is just a time delay loop for next loop. Okay, 60, if C is greater than 9, then 80. If C is greater than 9, then 80. Let's make sure I got that right here. Yep, C is greater than 9, then 80. Okay, 70, go to 90. 80. CC equals CC minus 10. X equals 32. 100, if C is greater than 9, then 120. If C is greater than 9, then 120. 110, go to 130. 120, X equals 49. 130. Call screen C. 140. Call HCHAR. And that is 1, 15, X. $150. Call HCHAR. 1, 16, comma, CC plus 48. $160, next C. And 170, go to 20. Okay, let's clear the screen. Type list to list out the program. And we're looking for any syntax errors, typos, math errors, anything of that sort. And I just want to double check a couple key lines here. So both line 60 and line 100 say if C is greater than 9, then go somewhere. 80, then 120. Yep. Okay, 90, X equals 32. Just kind of looking for the quirks of this program. Make sure I didn't make any typos here. Oops. There we go. I think we'll look pretty good. Let's go ahead and give it a run, see what we get. Okay, so we're just showing all the colors. Which one do I get a screenshot of here? I always like 13. 14's cool too. It's funny, one of my go-to color schemes was number 13 as the background and white as the foreground. All right, that's all this program does. It's just a loop between colors 3 through 16. Nice way to see all the colors, though. Color demonstrator. What's the name of the program again? Show the colors. Show the colors. Well, this is Show the Colors from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. If you happen to be watching this on my YouTube channel after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, which is my handle on Twitch, a little nod to my favorite game, World of Warcraft. And if you happen to be, or you can find it under, I lost my train of thought. I got so mesmerized by the colors. Or you can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots of TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, retro computing, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. If you happen to be watching this live on Twitch, be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you're watching on YouTube, same thing, please check out my Twitch channel for live streams and all the above. And if you happen to catch me streaming live on Twitch, be sure to say hi in the chat and or participate in any way you see fit. In any case, I really appreciate all the enthusiasm for these retro TI-99 4A streams I've been doing lately, trying to ignite a little interest in this vintage computer, my favorite old retro computer that I had when I was a kid. That's why I'm so passionate about it. But I appreciate likes and follows and especially subscriptions, which do help me out greatly in these challenging financial times. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video.